the white Kobe 4 Wise Knights. Size 9, I know some people are huge fans of these. A lot of people are huge fans of these. But I believe these are the Garnets. These are dope. Huge fan of these, man. Okay, we got a little bit of every LeBron today. Look at this. More John Elliott's, man. I'm good on the pink, though. Size. That's dope. Probably 6s. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We're in Torrance, California. We're back again to do another Nike Outlet video. Yeah, let's go see what's up, you guys. Find some deals. It's currently what day is it? What day of the week is it? It's Sunday night, but it's right before the Sunday night before Christmas weekend. So, it's a Sunday night before Christmas week, so the outlets are open a little bit late. Yeah, it's almost 7 o'clock, and they all usually close at 6. So yeah, let's go see what's up, you guys. Let's go find them deals and steals. All right, the last trip here was amazing. They had like the craziest deals. So man, let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. All of us last minute shoppers, pretty crazy packed, you guys. Let's go see what's up. 20% off, I think. Oh, 20% off the hash wall. 20% off the hash wall. So there's that reminder for 20% off. Man, they really don't got much here. Look, 10. I'm in the size 10, 10 and a half. We got these going for 110. These are, we just saw these for 100, right? At the other outlet, 100 for 30%, 20% off. I've been seeing a lot of these at the outlets. Seeing a whole lot of these. Is it the Wise Knights? The white Kobe 4 Wise Knights? I laugh because I didn't know what the hell these were called before. But yeah, the Wise Knights going for retail though. Going for retail, you do get that 20% off, I guess. So yeah, not bad. Size 10s, not bad. At least they got something here. Right next to the Wise Knights, they got the Enigma Shocks. Enigma Shocks. These are the like super bright, or not bright, but super reflective material, man. These are kind of crazy. But yeah, go for retail, you get 20% off of this. Got some Vapor Streets. Some Vapor Streets go for $100. Get that 20 off. Got React, full length React on these. You can find cheaper stuff though. The Moon Racers are a hell of a lot cheaper. This has like some Japanese writing on it, and it has cork, so it's like some sort of collab. That's why it's a little bit more. But yeah, $100, 20% off. Dang, there's just not much here, guys. In the 10 and a half now, Air Max Deluxe. I've never even seen this one. Damn, look at the material too. It's like some weird leather material. It's just I don't know, kind of weird. But yeah, go for retail, man. So olive green colorway. For retail, you get that 20%. That's it. Lebrons 16, going for 160. I was like, is that retail? No, these are 175, I think. But yeah, these are the mids, right? 4 Horsemen. Yeah, 160. You get 30% off. How much of a discount at all, man? Got some Lebrons. Did I really say Lebrons? Got some Kobe's. Got some Kobe's. Interesting color. Okay. This is the one with the pull tab, so you pull on this to lace it real quick, or to tighten the laces, because there's no laces. But yeah, you use that to eject, or to turn it off, or you use that to unlace, or to loosen the laces up. Okay, all right, not bad. Not a huge fan of this. Not a huge fan of that silhouette, to be honest. 200 though, man. 200. Goes down to 160, I guess. That's a discount. More of the 4 Horsemen. Same price. Size 9.5. Oh, okay, these are starting to come down in price. The LeBron 10 John Elliott's for 200. You saw these for retail, 250 everywhere. Yeah, it's starting to come down. Oh, okay. More Wise Nards. Kobe 4s, 180. They got some red carpets. Red carpets, size 9s. Size 9, I know some people are huge fans of these. A lot of people are huge fans of these. 200, go for 160. Is it worn? Looks clean too. Looks like it hasn't been worn. Someone just didn't like them. Yeah, not bad, not bad. So it's got that, I was going to say battle knit, but it's What's the name of the knit on this phone? Knit posit? Oh, yeah, I got that knit posit. Super durable. Super durable, man. This will last forever. How bad? Dang. Dang, people paid $100 for some chucks. These are leather though. Oh, and the leather. Oh, wow. Wow, the leather don't get better than that. Wow. Still haven't paid no over $100 for no chucks, but wow. That leather is butter. Wow. Seriously, like that. You can't find leather softer than that. That's amazing. But yeah, it's a pair of chucks. And yeah, that's not happening at 120 or 115, even 20% off. That's not happening. I found these hiding behind the sign right there, the whatever percentage off sign. Dude, look at this. These are the garnets, right? The air flight posits. I believe these are the garnets. These are dope. Huge fan of these, man. Zoom in. Huge fan of these. No, I'm not a fan of the price, though. Not a fan of the price. Look at that, 200. Are these? Yeah, I think these are the garnets, right? You guys let me know if I'm wrong, man. I'm not remember, but these are dope. Just can't. I'm good with that price, man. Just good with that price. And my feet would be, man, no breathability in there, man. Man, my feet would be watery, straight water after that. But dope, those are dope. Man, we got a little bit of every Lebron today. Look at this. Size 8.5. Which is Lebron 17s. These are the Oreo. Wow. Look at that. This is actually one of the better colorways. I like this more than a lot of the other colorways. These are dope. Yeah, get it for retail minus 20% off. Can't tell if they've been worn or not. Yeah, not bad. We've been seeing a lot of these. I've seen like 2 or 3 other pair. This is I forgot what colorway this is though. But yeah, the Kobe 4s, man. Got that snake skin on the front with the suede. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of these, man. I was talking to my man who works here. This is my favorite colorway. If it goes down a little bit more, might have to cop eventually. More John Elliott's, man. I'm good on the pink though. It's size 8.5. Go for what? Two bills. 2 bills. You do get that 20% off though. But man, they got a lot of retail game here. This with that 20% gives you a little something. See, more retail game, man. Got the Alpha Dunks. Got the blue colorway. Go for 180, man. 180. Who's gonna get this? Who's gonna get this instead of the Kobe 4s? Like, really? Who's gonna get this instead of one of the Jordan signatures? I don't know, man. That's crazy. I'd rather get a Jordan 34 than this one. That's nuts. More Horsemen. LeBron 16 Horsemen. I think these just got off of the aisles because they had this in the aisle here for a long time. I'll go for retail, 20% off. All right, just the last couple shoes in the small sizes. Look at this. What is this? Oh, it's an Air Force One. Duh. I'm trying to look at the sign. Air Force One, you guys. Nike ID, or Nike by you, or Nike by me, whatever the hell it's called. But yeah, clean colorway, man. Super clean. Looks de-estered. Doesn't look like it's been worn. Okay. Doesn't look like it's been worn. See, 120. See, at the clearance center, they'd be selling this for $60. I'd be copping them, but yeah, 120 here. Get that 20% off. Normally the Nike ID for this is 160, I believe. Yeah, I believe it's 160. Yeah, because it's more than the regular ones. Not bad if that's your size, man. Not bad. I wouldn't pay that much. Got some 720 OBJs. See how these are different from the regular ones. Yeah. Pretty underwhelming. Let's throw these back. And they still want retail with 2 bills. All right, size 11s, nada. Size 11s. Size 12s ain't even got nothing, man. Size 12 ain't got nothing. Oh, wait, okay. All right, that's what this is. All right. Some Kyrie lows, size 12. Kyrie 2 lows. Okay. All right. That's probably a TB, right? Yeah. Team Bank got the regular colorway. All right. Got a little something. All right, size 12. Looks like they got some Kobe too. Oh, 11 and a half. All right. Got a little bit of Kobe action here. Okay, got a little something. Look at this, you guys. Got some Kyrie 6s. Kyrie 6s, man. Damn. Thanks. Obviously, these aren't a limited colorway, but still. That's dope. Kyrie 6s. Dope, you guys. Dope. Going for retail, get 30% off. All right, we got some Nike IDs that are gonna be sitting for a long time. Look at the PG3. The colorway is not bad. Colorway is not bad, but look at what they put on the top, man. Really, fools? Really? I still don't understand why Nike takes the stuff back. Cause who's gonna buy that with someone's name right there, man? Yeah. Good luck selling that. $70, 30% off. Size 13s. Size 13 still. Got some Air Force Ones. What's not in it though? Look, these are the swooshes that come off and on, and they should be in the box, not in it. So, dang, one of those with no swooshes, still trying to get retail. No sense. That don't make no sense. Vapor Max utilities, man. Yeah, that's interesting. Usually the utilities have straps and stuff, but yeah. Dang, no discount. No discount. Wow. Good luck getting those. The only good deal for the size 13 looks. So 312, that's it, man. 312, low. That's it. All right, we're checking out the aisles. Gotta start with this. I start with this. $100, dude. I was just getting no respect, dude. No respect. The suede isn't this the softest? Yeah, it's not. It's not. It's not. But it's not terrible. It's not terrible. It's not terrible at all. The colorway's pretty damn, I'm fucking shut up. Colorway's pretty decent. You know, $100, dude. That is a steal, man. It's a steal. Almost 50% off. Still not selling out. Damn. I don't know, man. I paid $100 for mine. 312s. Got plenty of those. $60. More 312s. Couple more 312s. Those are the low versions. I know there's a couple non-signatures. Let's go to the next section. Dang, I think all the KDs are gonna end up here, man. They all sitting. What's the point of having it here if it's retail, man? What the hell? Okay. Last KD, Zoom 12. This is the Oreo colorway. Plenty of sizes. All right, this is a decent price. $80 for these, not bad. Not bad. Might be worth copying for $80. This colorway as well. Kind of cool. It goes from white to gray in the back. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Still dropping everywhere. Yep, Air Max 200s. Every colorway dropping for the Air Max 200s. So when they do have stuff that's kind of limited, because we know this ain't really that limited, like almost limited or kind of limited, they get pretty stingy here, you guys. Like they don't give the 20% off. I bought my Greek Freaks here, and yeah, I bought those for my brother-in-law for Christmas. I think it was it for last Christmas. Yeah, and they didn't give me they had one that was already sold out, and yeah, they didn't give me a discount on it. So looks the same. Yeah, look, the leather's kind of crinkled right here, just like every other pair. Just like every other pair I've seen, man. Leather's good, but it's always crinkled right here. Crazy. To 100. No discount for these either, man. These didn't even sell out. These didn't even sell out, man. Crazy. I think I will have a review of this coming up. I do have them sitting at home. All right, Metcons for you gym fans, you gym rats. That's about it. All right, we'll cover this too. It's going down, you guys. Tailwind's going down. Oh dang, I thought the black would be higher than this one. This one's higher than the black ones. Interesting. Dang, I'm really surprised at the React. Oh, this is the 270 React. I thought it was just the regular 270. Oh, okay. Doesn't look like a 270 React. No, okay, that's in the wrong spot. I'm tripping. That's just a regular 270. That's way too much for a 270. See, this is worth more money. This is worth more money. That's React right here. Got a little more comfort. Worth more money than the regular one. Still too high though. Didn't we see this for 100 in Long Beach? I think this one too, 100 minus 20% out there. It's a little bit high here. Oh man. All right, let's look at it. Oh, the all black color. Okay, the all black one. $100, $80 after this additional discount. In the women's section, still sitting though. I fear this one. It's like the one that looks metallic but isn't. Still sitting. Going for retail. Get that 20 off though. These just dropped, the chrome ones. These just dropped what, last week? These just dropped the past weekend, man. Going for retail though. Interesting look though. Damn, dude. Very, very, very shiny. Don't get much more shiny than that. $150 though. Wow, that's pretty high for an Air Force One. It's an SP though, that's why. Solid price for those. Price is $35. Going for $40 after discount. So the women's section has been decimated. Look at all these blank sections, man. That's crazy. Crazy. And Cortez going for $40 after the discount. Still kind of high for outlet prices. Okay, man, this women's section sucks. This today, man, $130. We got all that heat in the men's section, but man, trying to get $130 for this in the women's, that's crazy. Trying to find something in an 8.5 for my niece. Nothing. These actually ain't bad. But she's not gonna like that too bad for her. $70, 30% off. But nothing much else. 75, 30% off for those. Odyssey racked as well. Size 9. We got some Air Force One Shadows. One of the more rare ones. Okay. Not a fan of, I like the upper, but the bottom, why would they add the green? Damn, man, I'm just throwing stuff. I do like the upper with that bright orange and the black, but I don't know why they would add that ugly green in here, man. I don't know. Okay, go for $130, $120. With that 20% off. Yeah, there's really not much in the women's section, you guys. Kids section, even less, man. Let's go check out the aisles. All right, the aisles got more action. All right, got some more heat than the most. I'll get that extra 20% off too. Not bad for these Air Max 95s. This is a crazy deal, man. Crazy deal for these 720s. I think we saw these the last time we were here and they were this price. That's crazy, you guys. Crazy. Another 720s. Fantastic deal, man. Fantastic deal. What's this going for? $56? $56. Where is this? $66. My bad. These bad boys going for $66. Not bad. These continue to go down. The 200s. The Air Max 200s. Not the biggest fan of these. I don't know. I think they look kind of whatever. Yeah, that's your style though. Looking at the kids real quick. I'm gonna cover the girls and leave because there really isn't. I'm gonna cover the women's and leave because there's really not much. But look, the GS sizes, they get robbed. They get robbed at the Air. And the Air Max 95, like full length Air. This one's just the back. What's up with that? Yeah. Stop cheating the kids, man. Stop cheating the kids. Elements. These Elements, pretty good deal. These, not so good of a deal. $80? Cheaper than the 140 MSRP though, I guess. And I think that's pretty much about it, you guys. Pretty much about it. I'm gonna call this a day. Alright, we're gonna call it a day, guys. Got another Nike outlet to hit up before the end of the night, so. And 720. Got one more Nike outlet to hit up, so yeah. Let's call it a day, guys. Call it a day. All right, thanks for making it to the end of the video, you guys. Yeah, I don't know what to think. Was that a dope visit or was that not? They had a lot of heat, but everything was at regular price. You got 20%, but like it was nothing fantastic. So I don't know. I don't know if that was a dope trip or if that was a weak trip. I don't know. Man, thanks for watching, you guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. That is so appreciated. I do appreciate that. Thank you. And thank you to all of you guys who have subscribed. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead, make sure you guys press that subscribe button. Make sure you guys press that notification bell as well. And thanks for joining, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace.